Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can see your Wi-Fi usage in your security app, how you can see today's, yesterday's or this month Wi-Fi usage you have consumed it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open security, swipe up and click on data usage, click on stats, then you have to click on right side this two lines button, and here you have to click Wi-Fi usage, and here it is showing today's Wi-Fi. See how much you have consumed in today's, and you can also check yesterday, last month. You can see your Wi-Fi usage in your Redmi device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. See